No feedback rows exist yet, so the target median is still unknown. I will make a strong broad first guess with Inception, a well-known movie with useful year, rating, genre, actor, and director signals. I am accepting the cookie banner first, then selecting the search result and clicking the guess button because enter alone does not submit. Type card is red. My guess was Inception, which is a movie, so target median equals TV. Year appears green, so the target is from the same year as Inception, 2010. Rating appears red and likely lower than Inception's 8.8. Genres action, adventure, and sci-fi show no overlap, and Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Elliot Page, and Christopher Nolan show no overlap. Constraints: target is a 2010 TV series, not action adventure sci-fi, not featuring those listed actors or Nolan, and with an IMDb rating far from Inception, likely lower. Type card is red for Inception, and Inception is a movie, so target median equals TV series. Year is green, so the target is a 2010 TV series. Rating is red with a down arrow, so the target is below 8.3. Action, adventure, and sci-fi are not overlaps, and the listed Inception actors and Christopher Nolan are not overlaps. I will guess The Walking Dead because it is a 2010 TV series with lower rating and different genres and cast. Nice, the answer was The Walking Dead, solved in 2 guesses. The key clues were that Inception ruled out movies and pointed to a 2010 TV series, and then The Walking Dead matched the year, rating, horror drama thriller genres, and its TV medium.